Welcome to a special journey where we will explore the process from modern farms to food processing plants. And finally, delicious dishes on every family's dining table. In today's video, we will learn about the hard but meaningful work of farmers, workers in processing plants, and how they are contributing to providing safe, quality food for millions of people across the country. We are at a large pig farm, where hundreds of pigs are being cared for scientifically and methodically. This is where the journey begins, where pigs are born, raised to provide high-quality meat for consumers. This farm is designed in a modern style, with a cool barn system, ensuring hygiene and biosecurity. The farmers here are not just breeders, but also real doctors, always monitoring the health of the pigs, ensuring they are fully vaccinated and have a reasonable diet. Every day, tons of food are delivered to the farm, including grains, vegetables, and other necessary nutrients. The pigs here are raised in the best environment, ensuring they grow healthy and produce high-quality meat products. Once the pigs meet the weight and health standards, they will be taken to the meat processing plant. This is where the meat production process is carried out professionally and on a modern production line. When entering the factory, the pigs will go through a slaughtering process that ensures food hygiene and safety. The workers here are fully equipped with protective gear, and every stage is strictly controlled to ensure product quality. After slaughter, the pork will be divided into different parts such as shoulder, loin, ribs, etc. Each part of the meat will be packaged and stored at the appropriate temperature to maintain its freshness. The factory also applies advanced technology in meat quality testing. Each batch of meat is sampled and tested to ensure that there are no antibiotic residues or toxic substances. This helps consumers feel completely secure when using the product. After being processed and packaged, the pork will be transported to supermarkets, markets, and food stores across the country. This is the final step in the journey from farm to family table. At supermarkets, pork is sold in cold counters, ensuring freshness and food safety. Consumers can easily choose their favorite meat parts to prepare delicious dishes for their families. Pork dishes are not only delicious but also very nutritious. From simple dishes like braised pork, boiled pork, to sophisticated dishes like grilled ribs, steak, pork is always an indispensable ingredient in the daily meals of Vietnamese people. The journey from farm to table is a long process, requiring the efforts and dedication of many people, from farmers raising pigs on farms, to workers in processing factories. All are contributing to creating high-quality meat products. Meeting the needs of consumers. Hopefully, through this video, you and your friends will better understand the pork production process, as well as appreciate the products we use every day. Let's support clean, safe, and high-quality products together, to contribute to building a better life. In the process of raising and processing meat, there are many challenges that farmers and factories face. One of the biggest problems is disease. The disease not only affects the health of the pig herd but also causes great economic losses to farmers. To address this problem, farms have adopted strict preventive measures, including regular vaccination, regular cleaning of barns, and isolation of sick pigs. Another challenge is the environment. Raising pigs in large numbers can cause environmental pollution if not managed properly. Modern farms have invested in waste treatment systems, converting waste into organic fertilizer or biogas, helping to minimize environmental impacts. In processing plants, food safety is always a top priority. Factories must strictly comply with food safety regulations. From receiving raw materials to packaging finished products, workers are thoroughly trained in work procedures and personal hygiene to ensure the final product meets the highest quality standards. Technology is playing an increasingly important role in the livestock and meat processing industry. On farms, automation systems are used to manage feed, water, and monitor the health of pigs. Sensors and IoT, Internet of Things, devices help farmers accurately monitor and adjust the pig's living environment. From temperature, humidity to air quality, in processing plants, advanced technology such as robots and artificial intelligence, are used to optimize production processes. Robots can perform tasks such as cutting meat and packaging with high precision, minimizing errors and improving productivity. AI is used to analyze data and predict potential problems in the production process, helping the plant operate more efficiently. In addition, blockchain technology is also being applied to increase transparency in the meat supply chain. With blockchain, consumers can trace the origin of products, from farm to supermarket, ensuring that the meat they buy is safe and has a clear origin. The future of the livestock and meat processing industry promises to be full of innovation and progress. With the development of technology, farms and factories will become increasingly smarter and more efficient. Sustainable solutions will be prioritized, from the use of renewable energy to waste recycling, helping to minimize the impact on the environment. In addition, consumer trends are also changing. Consumers are increasingly concerned about health and the environment. Leading to the demand for clean, organic and clearly sourced meat products. This pushes manufacturers to constantly improve and enhance product quality. Another trend is the development of lab-grown meat. This is meat grown in the laboratory from animal stem cells, without the need for slaughter. Despite the challenges of cost and regulation, cultured meat promises to be a sustainable and humane solution in the future. Through the journey from farm to table, we can see that the livestock and meat processing industry is constantly developing and innovating. From the hard-working farmers to the dedicated workers in the factory, all are striving to bring high-quality, safe and nutritious meat products to consumers. The message we want to send to you is to cherish the products we use every day. Please support clean products with clear origins, and contribute to the sustainable development of the livestock and meat processing industry. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to update the latest videos. See you again in the next journeys. Behind every piece of meat we enjoy every day are inspiring and meaningful stories. Let's listen to the stories shared by the farmers and workers who have contributed to creating high-quality meat products. Hung, a farmer with more than 20 years of experience in pig farming, shared, raising pigs is not easy. Every day, I have to wake up early in the morning to check on the pigs, making sure they are well fed and healthy, but seeing the pigs grow up healthy and bring a stable income to my family, I feel very happy. He also shared about the difficulties he and other farmers have faced. Such as diseases and fluctuations in market prices. However, with support from training programs and new technologies, he and many other farmers have been able to overcome these challenges and continue to develop the pig farming profession. Muzmai, a worker at a meat processing plant, shared, "My job requires meticulousness and carefulness. Every day, I have to ensure that each piece of meat is processed and packaged according to the correct procedures, ensuring food safety and hygiene. Although the work is hard, I feel proud knowing that I am contributing to bringing high-quality products to consumers. Ms. Mai also emphasized the importance of complying with food safety regulations and the need for continuous training to improve workers' skills and knowledge. The livestock and meat processing industry not only contributes to the national economy but also plays an important role in ensuring food security and improving people's lives. The livestock and meat processing industry creates millions of jobs for people, from livestock farmers to workers in processing plants. At the same time, this industry also contributes significantly to the country's GDP, promoting the development of supporting industries such as animal feed production. Packaging and logistics. With the growing population, the demand for food, especially meat, also increases. The livestock and meat processing industry plays an important role in ensuring a stable food supply to meet consumer demand. Thanks to the development of the livestock and meat processing industry, many rural households have had the opportunity to escape poverty and improve their lives. Support and training programs from the government and international organizations have helped farmers access new technology and modern livestock farming methods. Thereby improving productivity and income. Through this video, we hope that you have a more comprehensive view of the livestock and meat processing industry. To continue to develop sustainably and ensure food security, we need everyone's cooperation. Choose meat products with clear origins, ensuring food safety and hygiene. Support clean, organic, and quality certified products. In this way, we not only protect the health of ourselves and our families, but also contribute to promoting the sustainable development of the livestock industry. Continuously improve and enhance product quality. Apply new technology and sustainable solutions to minimize environmental impacts. Ensure that all production processes strictly comply with food safety and environmental protection regulations. Continue to support and invest in the livestock and meat processing industry. From providing training programs, financial support, to building sustainable development policies. Only through close cooperation between all parties can we achieve the goals of food security and sustainable development. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully the information and stories in the video have brought you new and meaningful perspectives. Let's work together to build a better future for the livestock and meat processing industry, as well as for ourselves and future generations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to update the latest videos. See you again on the next journey. The livestock and meat industry is constantly evolving and adapting to changing markets and consumer demands. Here are some of the new trends shaping the future of the industry. Increasingly, consumers are concerned about health and the environment, leading to a demand for organic and sustainable meat products. Organic farming requires the use of natural feed, the absence of antibiotics and growth hormones, and the best living conditions for livestock. Organic farms also focus on protecting the environment, using renewable energy, and recycling waste. Biotechnology is opening up new opportunities in the livestock and meat industry. Cultured meat, grown from stem cells in a laboratory, is emerging as a potential solution to reduce environmental impacts and meet growing meat demand. Despite challenges in terms of costs and regulations, cultured meat promises to become an important part of the future of the food industry. Automation and artificial intelligence, AI, are being widely applied in farms and meat processing plants. From managing pig herds with sensors and IoT systems to using robots in slaughtering and packaging processes, technology is helping to increase productivity, reduce costs and ensure product quality. Consumers are increasingly interested in the origin and production process of food. Blockchain technology is being used to create transparent traceability systems, allowing consumers to know exactly where the meat they buy comes from and how it was produced. This not only increases consumer confidence but also encourages producers to adhere to high standards of food quality and safety. Developed countries such as the US, EU, and Japan have gained valuable experience and lessons in developing the livestock and meat processing industry. Here are some lessons we can learn. Developed countries often apply a closed production process, from livestock farming to processing and distribution. This helps ensure product quality and minimize risks in the supply chain. Governments of developed countries often have strong support policies and investments in the livestock and meat processing industry. This includes providing finance, training, and research and development of new technologies. Developed countries have very high standards for food safety and environmental protection. Strict compliance with these standards not only ensures product quality but also increases consumer confidence. International cooperation is an important factor in helping countries develop the livestock and meat processing industry. The exchange of knowledge, technology, and experience between countries helps promote the sustainable development of the industry. Through the journey from farm to table, we have explored different aspects of the livestock and meat processing industry. From the hard-working farmers to the dedicated factory workers, everyone is working hard to bring high-quality, safe and nutritious meat products to consumers. The message we want to send to you is to cherish the products we use every day. Please support clean products with clear origins, and contribute to the sustainable development of the livestock and meat processing industry. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to update the latest videos. See you again on the next journey.